Mississippi University for Women launches a new program to boost early childhood education. The Wise Start Early Childhood Project received a $500,000 grant to get started, which will give the program $100,000 for the next 5 years. Staff tell me everything they're doing now will matter for future generations. The Center of Education Support at Mississippi University for Women continues to bolster and boost early childhood education with local funders.
A lot of this work got started because of Excel by 5 in our community. As they've helped us initiate and get all these projects started, what this funder is doing is coming in and help us sustain them.
Director Penny Mansell says the Wise Start Early Childhood Project gives the center a home and sustainability for the future.
We know that young children birth to 5, that is the time period where their brains grow massive amounts. The research all says 90% between birth and age 5. So we've got to capture these families and these educators and these teachers in these classrooms and really make sure what they're doing is going to help support those children and their young brains to make sure we have an economy and a workforce in the future.
The plan is to collect data from this hub, making it sustainable for communities throughout the state.
We know that the teachers in the field, especially in those early educator classrooms, need more respect, need help and support. We also know that our economy is facing a critical crunch. We know that Mississippi businesses need early childhood classrooms and spots for parents to be able to work. We know that's the largest untapped workforce in the state. And without supporting these early childhood classrooms and these centers, and without supporting these parents and what's going on, we have got to do that so our economy is thriving in the future.
Community members are being brought into the Excel by 5 meetings to know exactly what they need.
We all bring something to the table that we can then use to make sure we know the needs of the community, and we're not just making decisions based on what we think, but we're actually using the data from the community and what our families are telling us to make that difference.
The goal is to support anyone in early education, including Head Start teachers. The Associated Press reports the White House is proposing eliminating Head Start funding. However, Mansell says multiple systems of care are necessary to make it work for every family.
It's a scary time to be thinking that we can eliminate Head Start. And while we understand changes are necessary, they're also hard, and I would hope we would all look at what that's going to do to the American family and to our future, because those babies have got to have a place to learn and grow and develop, and those mamas and daddies have to have a safe place for their child to go and learn and be educated.
Mansell hopes this project elevates support and resources to give children the best opportunities. MUW is launching an early childhood education degree this fall for pre-K and kindergarten teachers.